In this video, I'm gonna reveal the secrets that you have never been taught about becoming profitable as an insurance agent in 2023. Stick till the end of this video, and I'm gonna share with you the #1 secret that helped me go from $15,000 in credit card debt to making over $20,000 a month in profit in my insurance business. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and the reason that I make these videos is to document my journey, the lessons, failures, and successes on my way to make my first $1 million in the insurance industry, and hopefully provide you value along the way as well. The reason that I'm so passionate about this specific topic is because I was in the position that you may be in right now. Broke, drowning in credit card debt, feeling hopeless and skeptical that you can make money in this industry too. Industry leaders preach this industry makes the most millionaires out of any other industry, and that you can be that person too. The person on stage making $50,000 to $60,000 a month, living their dream life, going from single mom all the way to millionaire, going from teacher all the way to making $100,000 a month, or that you can quit your job and start making over 6 figures a year, working 10 to 20 hours a week from home. And yet you watching this video aren't getting nearly the results that they're talking about. And it makes you nervous going out with your friends because you're not sure if the card that you brought will go through. Ultimately, not sure if you can make ends meet at the end of the month. If that's you, unfortunately, that's most people in this industry. And that was me too at one point. However, after going through the pain of not succeeding and countless of hours of studying, listening to podcasts, anybody I could find on YouTube, and tons of trials and errors, I discovered these 4 things that you have to know before you become profitable in the insurance industry. Before I get into them, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with a friend if you find this valuable. And I want you to think about which point you're going to implement into your business to become profitable today. #1, break down your numbers. Before I ever made $20,000 in a month, I broke down my numbers. I looked at my average policy size and counted how many policies that I would need to issue on top of what my close ratio was on the leads that I bought. And from here, I was able to back into the numbers that I needed to generate or buy at that time to get the desired results. The numbers were decently accurate. However, over time, as you collect the data on what your close ratio is, what your average case size is, and how many leads that you need to generate, you'll begin to see an increase in accuracy of the numbers. Ty Lopez said that the language that millionaires speak is numbers. So having your metrics dialed in is your #1 key to seeing profitability. My second secret that I want to unveil to you is make a plan and stick with it. It was easy for me to break down the numbers, but when it came time to execute my plan, I didn't follow through. And you may be in the same cycle that I was in, creating a plan, tracking the numbers, and feeling the sense that you finally are making the changes necessary in the right direction to see the profitability. But when the time came to actually execute, I stayed the same. With that being said, if that's you, here's some practical advice that I want to share with you that you may find valuable. Stay in the game and get outside accountability, whether that's a running buddy, somebody that's in the game with you that can hold you accountable. And think about this. Sometimes it's not about radical change and the one silver bullet that's going to change your business and immediately allow you to become profitable, but sometimes it's the 1% change over and over and over again. The greatest and strongest empires that have ever existed in history did not get built overnight. So stay the course. Trust the process. The third secret that I want to unveil to you that helped me become profitable by creating an exact step-by-step on how I can get out of debt and pay off the credit cards that I had fully. When I was $15,000 in debt, I had to get real with the numbers. I didn't want to check my bank account. I didn't want to actually look what I was spending my money on and get gut level honest with myself. So what I did was put every credit card and balance that I had onto a spreadsheet and totaled up the debt. Then I created a goal that was reasonable and I committed to it. Because I became obsessed with paying off the debt, I ended up becoming debt-free within 3 weeks of creating this goal. I want to share with you that it's possible, but the harsh reality is that not everybody's meant to be in the insurance industry, and that's okay. To see true profitability in insurance, you have to be a business owner, and there are certain skills required to level up. Unfortunately, most most people aren't taught these skills and basic principles about business. I'm thinking about creating a video and doing a training for you guys on business principles that have helped propel me forward to making $20,000 to $40,000 every month. If you think that that might provide you some value and some guidance on making your first $10,000 in the insurance industry, comment down below profit and I'll go deeper with you guys on this topic. What are you doing? You're still not in my private free Facebook community where I'm helping insurance agents with the exact lessons and formulas to become profitable in the insurance industry? Click the link down below to apply, and I'm only going to take you if you're serious about bettering yourself. Now let's get back to the video. Before I share point number 4 with you, don't forget to stay with the bonus that helped me get from $15,000 in credit card debt to $20,000 a month profit, and that you can implement as soon as today to springboard your success in the insurance industry. The 4th secret that I'm going to share with you guys is you have to become your own lead source. I feel like this is a buzzword right now of becoming your own lead source. The reality is it's true. I fully took control of my lead source after selling over $350,000 of life insurance premium after I already made thousands and thousands of dials. I firmly believe that the #1 way that you can predict your income in 2023 is by learning and mastering the art of sales. There's no magical lead and magical formula, so if you think that, stop. It all relies on your ability to sell. The first step that I took to seeing more success in the industry and seeing more money in my bank is by having a step-by-step framework that I walked clients through. After I already had consistently been submitting over $40,000 a month, then I truly took control of being my own lead source. Lots of agents come to me thinking that generating your own leads is going to be the silver bullet that's going to help them see the profitability that they're looking for. However, it's not. It's just one part of the recipe. And if you're missing the key ingredient, the art of sales, then you're still going to be struggling to find real profitability. If you focus on generating your own leads without having the art of sales, you're still not going to see the profitability that you're looking for. You're setting yourself up for a disaster because both skills are crucial in seeing profitability. I chose to focus on sales first and then marketing, and that's what really helped me find success. And here's the bonus. Check your bank account every single morning. A habit that I created is waking up and the first thing that I do is check what got deposited into my account and tracking it in a business tracker, how much I got deposited into my account. This has helped me gauge what is going into my bank and what's going out, as well as making sure I'm getting paid on time in the exact amount that the carriers owe me. This has also allowed me to account for every dollar that comes in and goes out, so ultimately I can keep the most amount of money back in my pockets as possible.